And I respect all forms of music. I think it's all great. But classical music holds a special place in my heart. I have worked with students who are interested in pop or getting into show choir or musical theater. I have some who are interested in the classical music. When it comes to classical music, I just feel like it's not as exposed as much as other genres of music to students when they're young. So I got into it basically because I knew someone who did it. And I think if you're someone who is doing classical music, it's important to share that with other people and just start exposing people to it, because that simple exposure, even if they think they don't like it before, they act like they won't like it, later on when they hear it again, they'll recognize it, and then they'll start to be like, oh yeah, I know that, and then they start to gravitate towards it. So I'm not trying to force anyone to listen to classical music or opera specifically, but I just wanted to point out that people like what they're familiar with, and something that I think that will really help classical music is just exposing people to it more and showing people how it could be fun by letting them experience it and actually partake in it as well. So if you want to learn more about working with me, book a call down below.